air-cooled laser welding machine. Plug the machine into AC power, AC 220 volts for 1000 to 1500 watts. Video to 1500 watts as an example. Insert the power supply and signal cables at the rear of the machine. Connect the gas to the machine. Recommended gas for welding is nitrogen or argon. Adjust pressure gauge to proper pressure, around 0.4. Open the wire feeder to check accessories. Loading the wire feed tube into the wire feeder. Select the appropriate wire feed wheel. The number on the wire feed wheel should correspond to the diameter of the welding wire and be mounted outward. Load the prepared welding wire into the wire feeder. Plug in the power and signal cables on the rear side of the wire feeder one by one. Turn on the button of the wire feeder. Demonstrate the switching of the language of the device. The rest of the parameters are not recommended to be changed by the customer. Press the wire feed button to send the wire out of the wire feed tube. Select the wire feed nozzle corresponding to the diameter of the welding wire. The graduated tube is generally graduated 0. Depending on the laser, the occasional deviation is subject to the factory. Cannot be changed by itself. Select suitable welding nozzle. Press the wire withdrawal button to adjust the welding wire to the appropriate position. Press the device switch button. Entering the process technology interface. Suggested value for scan speed 300 to 500. Scanning width 2.5 to 3. Peak power 100 laser wattage. The rest of the parameters are not recommended to be changed. Enter the setting interface and input the password 1234556. Switch the language. The rest of the parameters of this interface is not recommended to change. There are questions can be contacted our technical staff. Enter the diagnose interface. Click on the solenoid valve to enable test whether the solenoid valve is working properly. The solenoid valve works properly. Clip the earth wire to the welding platform. When the tank pressure is low, the system will prompt a pressure alarm. Please check the tank pressure. During welding, keep an angle of about 45 between the gun and the workpiece. Press the button. The gun head will move back under the action of the welding wire, and the hand can keep the angle of the gun head. Welding is completed. Lift the gun. No need to release the button. Just lift the gun. Showing the welding effect of different power bands. Cutting function. Remove wire feed assembly from gun head. Close the wire feeder. Replace the cutting copper nozzle. Maximize the gas threshold. Entering the technology, set the scan width to 0. Turn the peak power up appropriately. Maximum cutting thickness is 3 mm. Demonstrate the cutting work. LT is recommended to clamp the ground clamp to the gun head and keep 80 to 90 between the gun head and the plate. Pass cleaning. Replace the welding nozzle with S200. Enter the technology interface. Select process library No. 8. You can fine-tune the swing width 3 to 8 mm. Show pass cleaning. Cleaning function. Switch the system to cleaning mode. Turn off the device and restart. Enter the setting interface. Enter the password 1234556. Select f100 and 50-30 mm. The rest of settings are not recommended to change. If you have any questions, please contact our technical. Remove the welding scale tool and accessories from the gun head. Show 30 mm cleaning effect. Double-click the button to start working.